How a Dior handbag became South Korea's greatest political scandal. In the history of political scandal, it is not often that a luxury handbag comes to be the center of a national scandal. In South Korea, however, a Dior handbag that cost 3 million won is the reason for the huge political scandal that has cast a shadow over President Yoon Suk Yeol and his wife. First Lady Kim Kyon Hee, it all began like an innocent gift but turned out to become a political storm against the President Yoon amid talks about his impeachment and harsh critiques against controversial decisions that brought in some forms of marital law briefly. The video was recorded in 2022 by a South Korean pastor called Cho Jae-young. He secretly recorded himself giving her the handbag at the office of her planning firm. In the hidden camera video, Kim is visibly uncomfortable as she receives the bag, saying, "Why do you keep bringing these? Never buy something expensive like this." Although the incident was swept under the carpet, a video of it appeared on a liberal political site a year later and garnered much attention during November 2023. Critics exploited the opportunity to say the handbag is a form of bribery offered to woo the president. The video's release was explosive, coming to a time when Yoon's administration was already fighting warning public support. The incident reignited painful memories of past South Korean pay-to-play scandals where access to power was exploited for personal gain. Opposition parties quickly called for an independent investigation, saying the handbag represented deeper corruption within the administration. Even after prosecutors cleared Kim of any criminal wrongdoing, public trust continued to erode. Kim Kyung-heen's scandal also opened the discussion about her role as the First Lady. Accusers labeled her as seeking unnecessary attention, while some saw her as a pawn of political maneuvering aiming to sully her reputation. Adding to the drama, Kim was questioned for almost 12 hours by prosecutors in July 2024. Her lawyers later said that she genuinely cooperated and denied doing anything wrong. President Yoon himself addressed the issue, attributing the controversy to his wife's inability to sever ties with Cho Jae-young, a pastor who had been known for opposing Young's tough stance on North Korea. While prosecutors found no evidence of favors exchanged for the luxury item, the scandal has become a symbol of discontent with Young's leadership. Critics argue that it underlines deeper issues of governance, accountability, and the lingering shadow of corruption in South Korean politics. For Young, the Dior handbag represents more than just a political hiccup. It encapsulates a presidency struggling to rebuild public confidence amid a series of missteps. Whether this scandal disappears into the woodwork of South Korea's political history or leaves a mark, however, is too early to say. The fact is that the Dior handbag will be known forever as the unluckily provocative in one of the most dramatic political sagas of its nation.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.